I want to compare 3 different cordless battery-powered vacuum cleaners. And in particular in this video, I'm showing this brand. I don't know how you say that. B-U-T-U-R-E. And I'm comparing it with a Shark and a Dyson. Okay, so the Shark we have here is the Shark IX141. And this is the Dyson V8. I'm going to talk about some of the clear differences between these 3. All 3 battery powered. Runtime, this one is superior, 55 minutes, where the Shark and the Dyson are both 40 minutes. Now that's going to depend on what power setting you run them on and how old your battery is, things like that, but that is the way they are advertised. Another thing when I look at these battery powered vacuums is want to know how big the dust cap is, and that's what you call the area where the dirt and the dust stores in. You can see nice sized dust cap on this one. None of them are huge, but the thing I've noticed about them is when I vacuum, let's say I'll vacuum our whole house and we've got a living room and 4 bedrooms and rugs and hardwoods and all that, I can pretty much vacuum the whole house with this without having to empty it in between. You know, I may have to empty it when I get done, but it's big enough in my opinion. The thing with this Butor brand is it actually has a digital face here on it. So when we turn this on, so you have a button here and you push it to turn it on, and it's going to tell you how much power is left. But it actually has a touch screen, so I can slide right there and adjust the power on there, all the way down to the lowest power. Well, I like that, so that's a nice feature on there. These 2 don't have a touchscreen, though the Dyson does make other models that have a digital display on it, but this V8 does not have that. One thing I want to compare with the 3 of them is the head, the cleaning head on there. And that's one thing where I think the Dyson is definitely superior in my opinion. So you can see the cleaning head on the Butor, and on the Shark you've got this clean head, which is a nice clean head. But the superior thing about the Dyson one is the design of it is excellent at not getting hair wrapped in here. You can even advertise it as hair removal. So we have long hair in our household, and it is fantastic at not getting hair trapped in the vacuum head. One thing worth mentioning on the Dyson is you do have to hold the trigger down the entire time when you're vacuuming. And it does have 2 power settings as well. So that was the high setting. Here's the low setting. All of them can fit under tight spaces and things like that. They're all going to come with different attachments as well. Also like that the Dyson has a wall mount feature, so I can hang it on the wall while it's charging. The Shark gets great reviews. It has a bare floor setting and a carpet setting, so I can put it on the bare floor setting or the carpet setting. With the carpet setting, the cleaning head is going to spin faster. Very easy to empty them out once you're done cleaning. So these are 3 highly rated vacuum cleaners. Going over again, this one has got to have a superior runtime. My personal preference is the Dyson. I have a lot of vacuum cleaners, but we use a Dyson in our home primarily for the head design that is great at not trapping hair in the head. Hope this video has been helpful in showing you some of the differences.